Here's my fun double Z-fold card using the Heart Shaped bundle that you can earn for free during Sale-A-Bration for a $120 US order. It is now back in stock, so make sure you get it before the end of February. So this card starts off with an 8.5 by 5.5 card base. And then we have scored it at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4. Then I've cut some pieces from the Unbounded Beauty DSP from the annual catalog. This is 4 by 5 1/4. And these are 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. So I'm gonna go ahead and adhere all of these down to create the background of our card. So this piece of Azure Afternoon cardstock is 6 3/4 by 4 1/4. And I've scored it at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4 to create 3 equal sections. And now I have 3 pieces of the Blooms Impressions Designer Series paper that you can earn for free with a $60 order during Sale-A-Bration. And I have cut them to be about 2 inches by 4 1/8, but I'm going to cut them down to maybe 1 7/8 by 4, because I think these two are too large. And for our commercial break, I'm going to show you some of the other cards that I've made with the Heart Shaped bundle, including some swaps I received. This is the swap card I created for the Heart Shaped bundle. And these are the swaps that I received. This one and this one. I love the colors. And this one is a gatefold card. I received this card from a friend. Super cute. And then these are cards that I created in one of my retreats using the Coastal Cabana to either color the heart or color behind the heart. And then this is a video that I just created that you should go check out. It's my double slider heart-shaped card. Definitely a fun card to make. So go check that video out. Okay, so now to attach this down, I'm going to put adhesive on the right panel only to start off with. And then we'll fold this up and place this in the middle of the card. And then I'm going to fold the front part of the card in and only put adhesive on the very edge of the first panel. And that puts our card together. So I'm just going to stamp this sentiment, "My heart loves your heart," to go with the heart that I cut out from the Bloom Impressions Designer Series paper. Now I'm going to stamp off in Shy Shamrock to get a lighter color. Now I'm going to add some of these two-tone sparkle gems. They are gorgeous, brilliant, love them. So pretty. So last step is just to add this to the front of the card. And there you have a lovely Z-fold card with the heart-shaped bundle.